I'm at Logan Village today. I got a call from Tony telling me his inverter wasn't working. I came out to find that the isolator had gone, but also the inverter was still not working after we'd fixed that. So just replacing it today. This is the inverter. It's just an SAJ. So we're going to swap that out for a GoodWe DNS, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. So we're all done here at Logan Village. Tony's system's now up and running. Green light's going. You can't see, but we've got 2,000 watts of power in it at the minute. So it's early morning, so that's not too bad. We've got a flashing orange light here. If you do see that, it's just the Wi-Fi. It means it's not connected. When Wi-Fi is connected, that goes solid orange. Just on that note, if you have had one of these installed and you haven't connected it to the internet, you still only get the 5-year warranty. You need to connect it to the portal, the SEMS portal, and then once you do that and register with them, your inverter then has a 10-year warranty. So I'm about to do that with this system, so that Tony has the full 10-year warranty. But other than that, that's it. We're all done.